Hey guys, and welcome to My Lane Perspective. Today something a little bit different, just a quick video on adding some vinyl decals to a car. My mother-in-law just got this new, to her, 2021 Toyota Tacoma, and as you can see, it's kind of got like a custom bird logo going on, and she got some custom vinyl decals that she asked me to put on. I'll show you real quick kind of what it looks like to put new decals on and see if $100 can kind of help change the look of your vehicle. We've got the American flag and mountains. That's going to be going here. And then these on the two sides of the bed. And then this is actually going to go across the tailgate. So I'll show you guys real quick. The first step though, let's get this off of here. So this is just a decal as well. And you can actually just pick at it with your fingernail. And that already starts to come right off. Okay, so that step is done. We've got the bird totally removed. Now I did use some goof off that you can see over there. And as I was cleaning, let's see if I can get it to focus. You can see some of the marks have gone into the clear coat. What I'm gonna end up doing is just buffing this area just ever so slightly to kind of bring this out. And then that way when I put the decal over the top, I'm not worried about covering this up and trying to buff it when there's a decal on there. Now is the easiest time to get that fixed. This whole area has now been buffed and wiped down. And so we've just got this TRD Sport decal. Start peeling again. Just peel slowly. Okay, so now we've got these two separated. And so I can hold up this guy and kind of see where we want to put it. And so in my case, because I've got this pinstriping down here on the right, I'm just going to go between the pinstriping and the top of the bed. And then over here, we're going to have, sometimes they put the sticker so it lines up with the very edge of the tail light. So they just put it right up there. This is a pretty long logo, so we're going to move the sticker back a little bit and then do the same thing on the other side. And you still want to go slow on this. This one was pretty easy. Just start by peeling the top half, and then as you work your way down, pull the paper from behind it. But very cool decal. I think it came out great. All right guys, so for this next step, this was one large decal and ended up cutting it in half, and then we'll just have the mountains break across the top here. The other option was putting the sticker a little bit lower, but we decided to go a little bit taller. We like how that looks, and then that way we don't have to take off these 4x4 and V6 badges on the back. So to help with these larger decals, a really nice thing to do is just get some blue painter's tape, and then that will help hold it onto the vehicle, and then that'll give you more area to work with. So I'll be back as soon as I get this next step done. We ended up buying from several different companies off Etsy's, and it's definitely, some vinyls are just better than others. I don't know if it's the material or what, or TRD Sport stickers. I really struggled with getting bubbles out on the rear glass and here on the tailgate. Have been much easier for me to work with. And there you have it, a few decals, and about an hour later we've customized this truck for less than $100 without voiding any kind of warranty. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I'll probably modify a lot of cars like this moving forward. Links to everything used is in the description down below. Hey, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked this video, check out this one where I pimp out the family minivan, or I have this one where I rebuilt the front end of my 4Runner after getting in a car wreck. Thanks for checking them out. Thanks for subscribing. Take care, you guys. Have an awesome day.